Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by taking inventory and prioritizing what moves fastest. List rares first because they set value. Once done, check 3 active listings to see current prices and demand trends, then set a realistic starting price slightly below top offers to attract replies. Make sure to clean up your profile, add clear screenshots, and join a reputable trade group so other traders recognize you. These first steps get you visible and trusted. Don't delay. Start listing while prices remain stable. You move into negotiation by framing offers clearly. Propose bundles to bridge value gaps and justify trades with recent sale examples so the other person sees fairness. Once they respond, alternate short counteroffers and explain why your price works. This keeps momentum. Make sure to trade inside moderated servers or with an established middleman when values are high, and confirm identities by screenshots or group roles. If someone rushes or pressures, pause and reevaluate. Pressure often signals risk. You finalize trades by running a quick checklist. Double-check item ID, quantities, and agreed price, then take one last screenshot before confirming. Once the exchange completes, verify you received everything and leave concise feedback to build your reputation. If a problem arises, stay calm, document timestamps, messages, and screenshots, block the user, and escalate to platform support or moderators immediately. This preserves evidence and speeds resolution. Learning from each hiccup refines your approach for better future trades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.